Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a defendant making his first court appearance with a list of felony charges that reads like a criminal checklist: aggravated burglary, criminal discharge of a firearm, meth possession, and more. But believe it or not, his main frustration aren't the charges or his potential jail time. It's the jail's phone system, which he claims isn't letting him call his parents. As the judge tries to bring him back to the gravity of the charges, it's a case of misplaced priorities meeting courtroom reality. Get ready for a front row seat to a collision of complaints and consequences.
All right, this is the Butler County, Kansas first appearance docket of November 1, 2024. I'm David A. Rickey, District Judge. First case that I'll take up this afternoon is State of Kansas versus Heath Aaron Brundage. Case number 2024 CR 498. Okay.
What about those numbers?
I trust that this is Heath Brundage at the jail Zoom location.
Correct.
All right. Mr. Brundage, I have before me a charging document charging in count 1 aggravated burglary, a level 4 person felony. Count 2 aggravated assault, a level 7 person felony. Count 3 criminal discharge of a firearm, a level 7 non-person felony. Count 4 possession of methamphetamine, a level 5 drug felony. Count 5 possession of a firearm under the influence, a Class A non-person misdemeanor. Count 6 false impersonation, a Class B misdemeanor. Count 7 possession of paraphernalia for use, Class B misdemeanor. Count 8 criminal damage to property, a Class B misdemeanor. Since felony is involved, you will not be asked to
How come there's possession and there's paraphernalia?
Okay, we're not going to get into the substance behind any of these charges today. Mr. Brundage, I'm just advising you what the charging document reads. You will not be asked to plead at this time. Preliminary hearing scheduling will be made before your assigned judge, which is the Honorable Chad Crum. Chad Crum's next docket for that purpose would be December the 2nd, 2024, 2:30 p.m. You must plan to fully and personally participate in that docket at that time. December 2, 2:30 p.m., Judge Crum's court.
There's some felonious charging going on there.
Very well may be, Mr. Brundage. We're not going to sort that out today. Mr. Brundage, can you afford to hire your own lawyer?
I'm not sure yet. I haven't been able to get hold of my parents because of your guys' phone system out here.
Okay. Have you been working prior to being?
No, I have not, sir.
You have not? All right. Well, without any...
It would have changed if I had, because I probably wouldn't have a job.
Okay. All right. The court's going to make a finding that he's at least partially indigent, and I will appoint a lawyer to represent him. You can replace the appointed lawyer with a retained lawyer anytime you want, Mr. Brundage.
What's partially indigent?
That means you at least have some need for court-appointed counsel. You may not be totally poor, but you don't have enough resources to hire a lawyer in a serious felony case like this one.
No, I don't really like court-appointed lawyers because they usually favor you.
James Watts will be appointed. Represent Mr. Brundage until he hires his own lawyer. James Watts appointed. Recommendation regarding a bond here, Mr. Canfield.
Your Honor, considering the recent interactions and familiarity with law enforcement by the defendant and the number of charges, the state's recommendation will be a $25,000 cash surety bond, as well as no contact with the victim, Jeffrey Knapp, or his property located at 435 North Allegheny here in El Dorado.
All right. Very well. Now, the court will adopt the prosecutor's recommendations after reviewing this file and will set bond in this case at $25,000, cash or professional surety required. Conditions being that he appear for all scheduled court appearances, have no contact with the victim, Jeffrey Knapp, or his property at 435 North Allegheny in El Dorado, Kansas. All right. Court date's about a month down the line. Mr. Brundage, good luck in hiring your own lawyer if that's what you want.
I get your phones to work.
Until then, James Watts is appointed as your attorney. Sheriff's office is in charge of the jail, Mr. Brundage, not the court system.
You're all tied together.
All right. If there's nothing further regarding the Heath Brundage matter, that matter will be in recess. We'll move on to another case.
The defendant was hung up on phone issues, but the judge moved full speed ahead with no patience for distractions, handing down a $25,000 bond, court-appointed lawyer, and strict instructions to stay away from the victim. What's your verdict on the judge's decision? Does this bond send a strong enough message, or was there more the judge could have done? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.